In this video, I want to show you how you can check your deposit history on eToro. Now to do this, it's really simple, guys. What you want to do is head over to eToro.com and from in here find Portfolio. Once you're on the portfolio, you should be able to see all your stuff, and then you want to click on the little arrow here and go to History. Inside of History, you can now check your entire history on eToro. So you can see your money in, money out, and your P&L and stuff like this. So what you just want to look for is you want to look for all of your deposits, and then you can find out how much, and you can even sort it from a period. So you can do this year, this month, this week, the past 7 days, 3 months, 6 months, and all of that stuff. If you want to filter it, you can do it up here, and that is basically how that works, guys. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.